Hi everyone, today we're making an easy meal. It is a sub filled with steak tender strips and topped with melted cheese. We're going to use some peppers, onions, garlic, French loaf, cheddar cheese, jalapenos if you want a bit of a bite, and of course the main ingredient, steak. So let's get started. First, chop up your peppers. You can chop them up chunky or thin depending on you, and I like to use a couple of different kinds of colors of peppers. Gives it a nice presentation. Next, you can chop up the onion. I used one onion. You can also use red onion if you want. I'm using a white one. Now I'm going to cut the steak into strips. I'm using already marinated steaks, so I don't have to add any sauce to the cooking process. Heat up a pan, put some butter in it. Add your onions, give them a stir and cook them until soft. You can also now add your peppers and garlic if you want. Adding the jalapenos now just to give it a bit of a spicy kick. So I like hot food. I don't know about you. You can leave them out if you want to. Now it's time to add the steak strips. You may cook them how you prefer. I prefer medium rare, so it's up to you. Then you can fill up the French loaf after cutting it. Now add some cheese. Then pop it into the oven until the cheese is melted and the French loaf has gone crispy. You can add a bit of parsley just to make it look so much nicer. And there you have it, an easy dinner. Took me like 15 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. Check you on the next video. Cheers.